In today's video, I'm going to show you how to securely store sensitive data in HubSpot. Whether it's customer information or business data, keeping it safe is essential. Start by opening your browser and going to HubSpot.com. Click the login button at the top right and enter your credentials. Once logged in, you'll land on your HubSpot dashboard. Next, click the Settings gear icon at the top right. In the Settings menu, navigate to Privacy and Consent. This section lets you manage how data is collected, stored, and protected. Click on Consent options to configure how you obtain and manage consent from your contacts. Here, you can define transparency about how their data is used, helping you at a compliant with regulations like GDPR. By setting clear consent options, you're not only securing sensitive data, but also building trust with your customers. And that's it. With these steps, your sensitive data in HubSpot is better protected and compliant with privacy standards. Thank